welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a just vlog. I don't know. It's 12:17 and honestly I wasn't going to do anything today. I was just going to like kind of lay in bed, but then I was like, you know what? We're not going to do that. Yesterday was Friday. I didn't post. I've been going through some stuff lately and I've honestly just been going through some stuff for a really long time, but a little fact about me, I'm like really good at hiding how I feel, like super good, almost to the point where I don't even think I'm sad anymore. It's just like I've been really good at just not talking about my feelings and stuff. Like not necessarily just not talking about my feelings, but not like talking about the depth of my feelings, if that makes sense. And so finally just did. I let it all out and now it's all finally gonna be handled and stuff. And so yesterday I just needed a break. I just needed a little day for myself. Also, like I've been so stressed out, so like my chest is breaking out, my skin's breaking out. It's finally starting to like clear up again. I really want to tan because I'm like getting pale again and we don't like that. I honestly don't know what I'm gonna do today. I went shopping yesterday and I did a little bit of retail therapy, so I'm gonna kind of give you guys a little haul of everything that I got. But yeah, I've just been going through it. I was supposed to be filming a gallon video where I drink a gallon of water every day for a week, and I completed like the first 3 days of it easily, but then 2 of the days that's when I kind of started to like just like break down and I couldn't really like hold in my emotions anymore. And so I just like my focus was not on the video. So honestly at this point I don't even know if I should post it anymore, because like I did film like a good section of the video, so like I do have pretty good footage, but it's like, dang, I'm so tired of putting like half videos out there. So I'm like, do I redo the challenge or what? Because like it was low-key really hard. Like I don't know if I want to redo it. It's not like super hard, it's just the fact of like it's so like time consuming, you know. You can't really go do anything else because you have to like drink your water, you know, and you can't have anything else to drink, and it's just like ugh. You know what I'm saying? I also filmed the nighttime routine, but I also haven't decided if I like that video or not, or if I want to refilm it. I'm using the Kylie bronzer in the shade Toasty. I guess we're doing a little getty ready with me. But I honestly don't even know what I'm gonna do today. Actually, I have homework that I need to get done, so maybe I could go to like Panera or something. Panera? Okay guys, I'm ready now. It's 1:25. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm wearing. So this little crop top just says Los Angeles Arts District. It's from I don't know why I keep saying Fashion Nova. It is from Forever 21, and then my necklace is from Shop Page Official. My bag I got for $5 at Forever 21. Look how cute. And then let me put y'all down a little bit so y'all can see everything else. The pants are from a brand called CELLO. I don't know. I think I got them from like a weird store, and then this is just the brand. And then I'm just wearing some shoes that I got from Five and Below. Y'all, Five and Below. But yeah, and then I decided to put my hair up in a bun just because, I don't know, I just wasn't feeling it down. And so we just went with a bun. But this is kind of what the fit looks like. Yep. We're having a little self-care day. We're gonna go spend some time alone because no one else can hang out with us, but that's okay. That doesn't mean because nobody else can go that we can't go. So we're gonna go. I'm gonna go to Panera, get probably a drink or something, and then do some homework. And then after that I'm probably gonna go to the thrift store because I really want to get some like cute like pattern tops. That way I can cut them and make them into like really cute shirts. So yeah, that's kind of what I want to go do. See if they have like any hoodies or like any cute stuff. That's the plan for today. Yeah, I'm trying to make myself grow and to realize the fact that I don't need other people to make myself happy. So we're going and doing stuff on our own today. Okay guys, I'm leaving my house now. There's something going on at the stadium across the street. First place we're gonna go to is we're gonna go to Panera. I have one assignment that I really need to get out the way done today. I actually have a 4-page essay I have to write, but I'm gonna postpone that till tomorrow. But yeah, other than that, I only have one discussion form that I have to do, discussion board thing that I have to do, so we're gonna do that. But y'all, look how cute this little purse is. I think it's so cute. Finally, I have like a black small purse that I can just like go to, stuff that like I actually need to take everywhere with me. I really don't have a lot of stuff that I have to carry, to be honest, so I really don't need a big bag. Y'all, Broadway's Tombstone is my favorite freaking song from his album. What's y'all's favorite song from his new album? In the motherfucking gang on my tombstone and bury me. Okay, I'll see y'all when I get to Panera. I'm just gonna drive and vibe. Drive and vibe, that sounds so good. Okay, so I just got done at Panera. It's 2:33, so I honestly got the assignment done really, really fast. All I got was just a little mango smoothie. This hoe was $5 though, so, and she's not even like all that amazing, and she was, oof. Sorry what I was saying before I just spilled it, but it's like, it's not even like the best smoothie I've had, and it was freaking $5. It's just super yogurty. I like more of like a fruity, like fresh taste, and it's just super milky yogurty, which I know it has yogurt in it, but it's like overpowering a little bit, but whatever. It was $5, so we're definitely gonna drink it. But I'm gonna go to the thrift stores now. I'm just gonna look up one and just kind of go and just see what I can find. If I can't really find anything, then that's fine, but we're gonna go ahead and go try to look. Seriously, just went up in the store and freaking paid $13 for. Why does my camera look like that? I just went into the Goodwill and I paid $13 for 3 shirts. I don't know, I just expected to pay more, like $5, maybe like $1 per shirt, because they're really like the most basic shirts ever. There's no design on them, nothing, so I was like really confused. But I got 3 different shirts. So I got this one. I had like 5 different shirts at first, but I was like, no, like let's keep this realistic. Like what if this looks ugly and I don't ever like actually wear it? I just want to get like only 3 so I can like try it. And then I got this neon yellow one. I got really bright colors, and then I got this like blue. And yeah, I'm really excited to try out this little hack. I tested out the shirt in the store to see if they would like fit around my boobs, and they do fit really well, so hopefully I have high hopes it will like look really good. But now I honestly really have nothing else to do. That was kind of like what I wanted to do for today. I guess we can go run by the post office just to see if there's anything there, but I did actually unbox some PO mail the other day, so I'll insert that right now. Honestly don't know when I'm gonna include like this footage, but I just went to the post office today and I got some PO mail. I just really don't want to wait to open it until I'm filming, so I'm just gonna have this, and whenever I film a vlog I'll include this clip. I got 3 things, so I'm gonna open them. The first thing is a letter. Oh my god, and $1 bill. That's so funny because literally today he gave me $1 bill, right? Today I wrote down this thing. It's supposed to be like the number for money, but I like wrote down it on my wrist because I saw like a TikTok and it was saying how people were writing down this number to represent money and stuff, and they were all putting it on their wrist. And so I was like, you know what, I saw this for a reason, like I'm gonna do it. I got $1 bill, some form of money, you know what I'm saying? Thank you so much for that. And to you, just keep posting. If you love making content, whether it's for the world to see or just for yourself, keep doing it. Next thing I got is this little package. So I think this is a necklace. I don't know who this is from. It doesn't say a name, or there's not like a letter or anything. A little bow necklace. That is so cute. The next thing I have, which is something I was super excited to open because this is like a big, oh, okay. I got a DM about this. It's called Cracks United. It's like a little business. They sent me something. I don't know if it means like crackhead or something. I don't know. CRACKS United, like the United States. That's so cute. It says Cracks United right here. The hoodie says Cracks United. Look at that. That is so dope. Like you cannot tell me that's not dope. This is actually so cute. I really like this. But yeah, I did do that, so now I can head to the post office, see if they have anything else there, but I honestly don't really think I'll have any mail. Definitely we can go see if there is anything there, just, you know, kind of while we're out and about. Okay, so I'm home now. It's 3:54, so almost 4 o'clock, but I'm about to show you guys what all I got from Forever 21, and then we're gonna make the tops and stuff. I might do something later tonight, maybe like if Julia or someone else wants to hang out, but really I honestly don't have anything else to do. So let me show you guys what all I got from Forever 21. So first thing I got was obviously this, and then the little purse that I got. And then everything else is right here. I got these pairs of shorts right here. I'm gonna kind of try to distress the back of them because the back just makes them look a little weird because it's like not distressed at all. And then I got these shorts. They're basically the same but just black, and like I don't know if you can tell, but these ones are so much, well obviously yeah you can tell, but these ones are so much more distressed and they look so cute. So I kind of want to make the blue ones kind of like the black ones. And then the next thing that I got is the Juicy Couture collab sweatshirt. I wish I got the set, like the white set is so cute. They didn't have it, so this is just all I could find. And then I found this little white skirt. Honestly, I wish it was a little bit thicker of a material, but it's fine. We'll definitely try to like make it work somehow. I got this little top right here. Honestly, I don't really know how I feel about it. I just don't know what bra I would wear with it, and it doesn't really give me a lot of support. It just looks like this. It's just one of those like simple tops. And then the last thing that I got are these pants right here. These pants are so cute. If you see these in your Forever 21, get them because they make your butt look amazing. And then I ordered these little things off of Amazon that are supposed to be like pins for like your jeans and stuff. I know you've seen them on like TikTok. I ordered these off of Amazon. Why am I like not focused? much better. But yeah, they look like this. I'll put the link down below. So many options. They have everything for any style button that jeans will possibly have. This one just looks like a plain little one like this. Like these are literally the same button. I don't know if you can tell, but this is like the same button. This one's just a little bit more shiny. I'm gonna show you guys how it works. These jeans are always a little bit big on me, like not bad at all, but just a little bit because they stretch out when I sit down. So kind of what you do is you just push the pin in, then you just clip it on the back. You button your jeans and you automatically have it like fit 10 times better. I'll bring you guys over here so y'all can get a little bit better of a view. Kind of how it works. It's super easy. It's like the easiest little DIY top ever. I think I'm gonna do the yellow one first because if I mess up, I don't really care. Well, actually, yeah, no, I don't really care. I'll do the blue. We'll do the blue. I'm so indecisive, I can't. But okay, so basically you take this shirt and you can honestly make 3 different shirts. Like you can make like a crop top and then the other shirt, but you're gonna lay out your shirt. You're gonna cut right here, and this is gonna be like your main part, and then you're gonna cut off the bottom part, and that's gonna be your strap. So that's first what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out. Yeah, I don't think that's straight at all, but it's okay. It doesn't really have to be the best. So let me show you guys. Okay, so we have our 3 pieces. So this is the top piece, this is the middle piece, and then this is the bottom piece. And then now we're gonna cut off this little strap right here. Kind of cut it a little bit short on the one side, but okay, so this is just what it's supposed to look like. And then you take this and you cut it like this, so then it's just like one long piece. Then you take this little shirt like this. You're gonna take your middle piece and you're gonna put it like this, and then you take your little thing and you're gonna go in between it. I'm so excited. I've been seeing this freaking DIY everywhere. But okay, so then you do that, and then you have a little shirt. I'm gonna try to actually put it on like without my bra, and then I'll be right back. This is so freaking cute. I'm so obsessed. Like, wow, I don't have to go buy shirts that look like this. Why would I ever buy a shirt that looks like this ever again? Like, why would I ever do that? Because literally this is gonna be the exact same thing. This is the exact same thing. Anyways, now it's 4:10, so I'm about to take off my makeup and just try to work out really quick, so that way I have like the rest of my day to do just kind of whatever I want to do, because yesterday and then the day before yesterday I didn't work out. Or not the day before yesterday, but it was like, okay, so it was my off day, and then I didn't work out, and then I worked out, and then I didn't work out, and now it's my off day again. So I'm gonna work out on my off day to kind of like make up for that day. Yeah, sometimes I be slacking, guys. I'm so sorry. Just things happen, you know, life happens, but it's okay. I'm making up for it, so that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and work out on my off day. It's currently 6:30, and I'm getting ready because I'm gonna go out with my cousin. I did my workout, and then I took a shower, and then I actually put on some tanner. I don't know if y'all can tell, but I look a little bit darker. Now I'm getting ready. I haven't washed my self tanner off, and I don't think I'm going to, just because I think I should be fine. Like, I don't really think anything's gonna get on me. I'm trying to hurry and finish getting ready just so that I have time to like get out there. I think I should be done by 7, which gives me like a whole hour, which is very good. It's gonna take me like 30 something minutes to get out there, but I kind of want to do my own little thing before I go out there. I'm trying to kind of hurry and get ready so that I have time. And then I am gonna wear lashes. I'm gonna wear the lashes that I wore today. So I'm just gonna put on a little bit of mascara and a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm just gonna do that. I just finished getting ready. I'm gonna show you guys really quickly what I'm wearing. So this is the outfit. I just curled my hair a little bit. My curls are kind of already falling, but I really wanted like a super like fluffy curl, not like tight or anything, so I don't mind. And then the shirt, obviously I made, you guys saw that. And then I'm just wearing these black jeans that I'm pretty sure are from Forever 21, and then I use those buttons to like kind of make it a little bit tighter. And then these shoes are just from DSW Warehouse or whatever it's called. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed. I had a really good day. Finally, now I can go like do something fun and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications on, comment the blue butterfly emoji down below if you watched until this point, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.